Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today I'm sharing with you guys some quick and simple ways to make your home cozy for Christmas. So to get ready for Christmas and make it cozy for guests to come over and visit, I do want to thank Chitta for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over their Esme mid-century modern sofa, and it is a 3-seater. Chitta Living makes stylish, comfortable furniture, and they have options for any type of budget that you may have. They have many types of furniture designs ranging from farmhouse to contemporary. So this Esme mid-century sofa has an excellent appearance design from front to back. It has fine workmanship. The Esme has side channel design, and it's generous, simple, without losing the elegant appearance that it has. The fabric is comfortable. It's so soft. It has feather-filled backrest cushions. It's double-sided, so you can flip the cushions from front to back, and there's not a front side, there's not a back side. Removable and washable backrest cushion and lumbar pillows. I love that you can wash the back covers because we do have animals and we need something that is easy to clean. So I've already had to clean this once, and it definitely works out for those pets and those kids in your life. Since I have received this couch, I cannot keep the cats off of it. I also cannot keep them from going underneath it. So it was really nice that it does clean easy. They did make a mess on this, so I did just take a warm washcloth and just wiped it off. It was so nice. What I also like is that it has a large sitting depth, so it's suitable for people with different heights, or if you have a cat come join you when you are reading, you can move that pillow from the back side and you will have more space to scoot over. I actually think that this would fit too comfortably if you wanted to lay down and take a nap. And did I mention that this couch is green? And it might not seem like it would be your first choice, but it is a really beautiful green color, and I think it is great for Christmas. I think this is going to look great when we take photos during Christmas time as well, but I think it would work for other seasons too. So springtime and even fall time, I think this would look so cute if you decorated pumpkins and the blankets and grab some pumpkin pillows. This would be the cutest couch for any season. But if you guys want to check out Chitta Living, I will leave their link in the description box below. They also gave me a coupon code. You can use code KRISTIN15 to get 15% off a Chitta sofa. And I will leave that coupon code in the description box as well for you guys. But I cannot wait for company to come over and be able to have some extra seating for them during the Christmas holiday season. So to make this area cozy for Christmas time, I brought in the coffee table. I got this table runner from Dollar General along with that cute little centerpiece and candle. I don't think you need to bring in a ton of decor, especially if you're going to have guests over. Nobody wants to have to work around or set drinks down around decor. And for some reason, someone is always going to knock it over. It doesn't matter who it is. I think my grandma knocks more things over during the holidays than anybody. And then I just had this side table, which I thought would be nice for some decor. And I'm going to end up throwing some coasters on that side so people will be able to leave their drinks without water line or watermark. You guys, here is a fun part of the video I want to share with you guys. I'm obsessed with making charcuterie boards or grazing boards, whatever you guys would like to call them, but they can get so expensive. So I'm going to share with you guys right now some things I got from Aldi, some items that I also got from the Dollar Tree to make a grazing board amazing. The first items I'm going to show you are from Dollar Tree. So these crackers are absolutely amazing. They are Monet. They come in like different kinds, I think 2 different kinds, but this is our favorite and they are amazing. They're so good. The next thing I want to show you guys is these mini toast. How cute are these? These are actually really good as well. You can throw some things at them. I just like to eat them plain or even like throw some cheese on top, and you're good to go. But Dollar Tree items, you can't go wrong with those. A few other items that you can pick up like some cheeses, you can pick up pepperoni from there. I kind of opt out of items like that at Dollar Tree. I just do. But they have this like old world quality food brand. This one is horseradish mustard, and they had some other jams and mustards, but I know we won't use them, but they're available to pick them up. Also, shortbread cookies. These are amazing and get ate within 5 minutes. And then the clusters, I just grabbed peanut butter this time, but I did one for Thanksgiving this year, and these are awesome. You have to grab these if you see them. I bought a bunch of different kinds last time. They were all so good, but these ones, grab them for your board. Okay, so items that I grabbed from Aldi. Summer sausage, of course, cut this up, good to go. I think this was under $4 or just under $4 for this. I also grabbed this big thing of salami. This was $5. I picked up this cheese. This, I want to say this was $2.99. I grabbed one of these from Walmart and one of these from Aldi, and they are $1.99 or $2.29. They're very, very inexpensive. You get the little cheese ball with the almonds in this one. This one is cheese spread with almonds and bacon. And then Aldi has like a great grazing board section, and they always, I feel like whenever I go in there, have things on clearance. These wafer crackers are awesome. They were $1.99. More crackers. I want to say these were also $1.99. And pita chips, these ones were just over $2, but honestly, I kind of just got these for myself because they are amazing. So it is not hard to put together a board. I also put some pickles, and I also put like black olives on it. And I'm going to show you guys how I do it. It is so quick and easy, and people will love it at holidays. I'm making one for Christmas. We're making one for Christmas Eve, and it is always a favorite. Maybe it's just me that enjoys these type of videos, but I love watching people make charcuterie boards. So the first thing I like to do is, normally I'll add like the tiny little bowls, but I wasn't kind of doing that for this part of the video since, one, I have to pick up some pickles because I do not have any in my home. But I like to lay like the crackers down first, and I always add a generous amount of those because I feel like those are always like the first thing that people grab. And then of course you're going to add the cheeses. Right now we only have one type of cheese, but I think it's going to work because I always feel like I have a ton of cheese left over. Adding some salami, pepperoni, and of course that fun little cheese ball block. And then the mustard, I also threw in some black olives here, and then some fun treats. Now you see here that I didn't even add everything that I showed previously, and this is the cutest little board I've ever seen. Yeah, there's some spots. I choose not to add grapes. I don't know what it is about people adding grapes to the boards. Maybe it's a hit, maybe not. I just think like meat, cheese, crackers, and like some, I don't know, why are olives like the cool thing to put on boards? I don't know. We love olives, so that's why I do. I'll throw some green olives on there and some pickles. It's just what my kids eat, so I definitely have to have them be able to eat. And look how cute this spot is. I cannot wait to show it off for Christmas. And if you are not into those grazing boards and you want to do a little hot chocolate board, this is so cute. I picked up items from Target and Dollar Tree and Walmart, places along the way. I did a video with hot chocolate board. I'm pretty sure I'll link it below if I did. And I'm just adding some fun items that we use for hot chocolate. And I think this is a really cute idea. If you just grab everything, set it on the table, and your kids will just have the funnest time with this. I know my youngest daughter, she adds absolutely everything to her hot chocolate, but if you just lay it on the table, they can bring their hot chocolate in, enjoy a fun Christmas movie. The Grinch is always at the top of our list along with Elf. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Chitta. I will leave the link in the description box below along with my 15% off coupon code. But that is it, you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.